When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as big of a difference as new windows. They enhance your property's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and add long-term value. But the key to enjoying all these benefits lies in professional window installation. For homeowners in Talladega, working with experienced installers ensures your investment pays off in comfort, performance, and peace of mind. Guaranteed proper fit and performance windows that aren't installed correctly can lead to gaps, leaks, and drafts, which ultimately cost you money and wasted energy. Professional installers take precise measurements and use proven techniques to ensure a perfect fit. This precision guarantees your windows perform as intended, keeping out the elements, insulating your home, and functioning smoothly for years to come. Improved energy efficiency. Talladega experiences hot summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency especially important. Professionally installed windows create a strong barrier between your indoor living space and the outside climate. This reduces strain on your heating and cooling system, lowering monthly utility bills. With expertly sealed windows, you'll notice fewer drafts and more consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Enhanced safety and security windows are more than just a design feature, they're also part of your home's security system. Poorly installed windows may not lock correctly, making them vulnerable to forced entry. Professional installation ensures that windows are securely anchored and equipped with properly functioning locks and safety features. That means better protection for your family and your belongings. Long-term cost savings. At first, it might seem tempting to take on a window replacement as a DIY project to save money. But improper installation can lead to expensive issues down the road, like water damage, mold growth, or structural problems. By hiring trained professionals in Talladega, you protect your investment and avoid the costly repairs that often result from cutting corners. Increased property value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, buyers will notice the difference between poorly fitted windows and expertly installed ones. Professional installation not only boosts curb appeal but also reassures potential buyers that your home has been well maintained. New, energy-efficient windows are a major selling point in today's market, often delivering a solid return on investment. Access to expertise and quality materials. Professional window contractors in Talladega have years of experience handling different window styles, materials, and home layouts. They can guide you in choosing the right products for your home, whether you're looking for energy-efficient double-pane windows, durable vinyl options, or custom designs. With professional service, you also gain access to higher quality materials and warranties that DIY solutions can't match. Faster and stress-free installation. Replacing windows is not just about putting glass in a frame. It's a detailed process that requires skill, specialized tools, and safety precautions. Professional installers work efficiently, minimizing disruptions to your home. Instead of spending days struggling with the project, you'll have your windows installed quickly and correctly, so you can start enjoying the benefits right away. Peace of mind with warranties. One of the biggest advantages of professional installation is warranty protection. Many manufacturers require certified installation for their warranties to remain valid. If something goes wrong down the line, you'll be covered. Without professional service, you could be left without any recourse if issues arise. Final thoughts for homeowners in Talladega. Professional window installation is more than just a home upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, security, and long-term value. From energy efficiency and safety to stress-free service and warranty protection, the benefits far outweigh the risks of going the DIY route. When you choose experienced installers, you're not just getting new windows, you're getting peace of mind and a more beautiful, efficient, and valuable home.